In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a project folder in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to delete a project folder, first you need to go under your space and then choose one of the folder under which you want to delete a project. Now for my case, I want to delete project folder under team space. So if I click down here, you can see we have quite a number of projects here. We have client success, project 1, project 2, and we have content calendar. For my case, I'd like to delete this project, client success. To delete it, hover over these ellipses, and then down below, you should be able to see this option, delete. If you click on it, you'll be able to see tasks and templates within this folder, which will be deleted. If you're okay, go ahead and confirm by deleting it, and that will be removed. Now you can see I no longer have that project folder here. So that's how you can delete a project folder in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.